This is draftee number 158, bringing you high spots in American history.
Is draftee number 192 in the house?
In 1492, Columbus set sail from Spain in search of a shorter route to the Indies. After 10 weeks, we find a lookout eagerly searching the horizon for signs of land.
Land ho! Land!
What? No cartoon?
21 years later, Ponce de Leon fought his way through the treacherous Everglades of Florida in search of the Fountain of Youth. Suddenly, he stops. At last, he has found the fountain.
Give me one giant malt, please.
December 21st, 1620. On this memorable day, the Mayflower reached the coast of New England. These happy pilgrims could hardly wait to set foot on their new homeland. And then came the first Thanksgiving.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Even at this early date, there were real estate salesmen.
All right, gentlemen, what am I offered for this parcel of land? All done? Sold to the little Dutchman for $24.
And here we see the first Christmas seal. In the early years of our history, many beautiful missions were built. This is the famous San Juan Capistrano mission. I wonder what all the cats are doing there.
Shh. We're waiting for the swallows to come back to Capistrano.
1775, the year Paul Revere made his famous ride.
The British are coming! The British are coming! The British are coming!
Yoo-hoo! Brandy!
What is it, Cardina?
Look! Men!
That same year, the Minutemen were organized. These brave men were ready to defend their country on a minute's notice.
To arms! To arms!
Oh, wait a minute, just a minute. I'll be with you in a minute. All right, just a minute. Wait a minute.
What am I saying?
George Washington was considered quite an athlete. He was the first man to throw a silver dollar across the Potomac. And the last one, too. One of the greatest advancements in navigation was the steamboat. Here we see Robert Fulton ready to try out his newest invention. Well, Mr. Fulton, what do you think of your steamboat now?
Confidentially, it sinks.
In 1832, Samuel Morse invented the telegraph. In the city of Baltimore, the first message is received.
What does it say? What does it say?
Then came the gold rush. Day after day, month after month, a steady stream of fortune hunters trekked westward. Little did they realize the tortures which awaited them in Death Valley. And now, for the first time, we give you Lincoln's Gettysburg Address. (1877). Thomas Edison invented the phonograph. Here we see Mr. Edison making his first recording.
Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Now, gentlemen, I'll play it back for you.
Mary had a little lamb. That's pretty good, Johnny. But that ain't the way I heard it. Way I heard it, one fella says to other fella, say, hey.
1893, the horseless carriage made its appearance. Even in those days, a spare was necessary. And And here we have the first, 1914. The Panama Canal was completed. Thousands witnessed the official opening of this great engineering project. New York, October 1929. Everything was calm and peaceful in this great city. Then suddenly the bottom dropped out of Wall Street. But were the brokers discouraged? No. They knew prosperity was just around the corner. Some preferred white bread, some whole wheat, others rye. The birds had little choice. In 1933, there began an era of great prosperity. 1940, United States adopts peacetime conscription. Millions of men report for registration.
Yo, Brandy.
What is it, Carabina?
Look, men.